Welcome to 64 Today we're making lentil soup.
How many seconds are you washing your hands today, guys?
10. We need a cutting board. We're gonna cut our veggies first, so we're gonna use the big boy wooden one. Okay, first thing we need is one yellow onion, peeled and chopped. I'm probably doing this horribly wrong. Give me a break if you actually know what you're doing. Oh man. Dude, well. These things won't make me cry. Celery and where are the carrots? These better not be what I got when I asked for carrots. I think I might do about half of this. And put it on medium heat. Yeah, the sausage is optional. It does give it a good flavor, but if you want a vegetarian meal, you can, by all means. Okay, gotta let these things cook for a while. I think I might add a little bit of oil, just because there wasn't that much oil from the sausage. It's just a little bit of olive oil. Now we have it on pretty low heat too. Turn it up a little. It smells so good, I wish you guys could smell it. I do encourage you to make this though. It's really good. Okay, so I'm gonna add the broth right now. Turn it to high. Yeah, you actually have to bring it to a boil. Good point. Yeah, we're gonna bring it to a boil, simmer it for an hour, and then we're gonna taste it, and that's when we'll add the salt. Okay, so now it's boiling, and we're gonna put the lid on it, and then bring it all the way down to low, and let it simmer for an hour. Okay, it's been an hour, so now we turn the heat off, open it up. Ooh. Okay, I think it needs some water. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Add salt. Don't go light on the salt.
Oh, jeez.
Yep. I think that's about perfect. You gotta eyeball the salt though. Subscribe.